How will the coronavirus or any recession at all affect the SMA social media marketing or digital marketing industry? What's up, guys? My name is Jordan Lee, and in today's video, I wanted to talk about a very, very serious subject that I know everybody is aware of. As of today, the seriousness of this virus that is spreading, it is now considered pandemic, meaning that it is, affecting, almost entire world pretty much, or it has pretty much affected the whole country as far as like Italy and China and things like that, and it's starting to spread over to the U.S. So it is considered pandemic, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about my experience with how my business is going, how my clients are doing, while this is all going on. So, a lot of people have been thinking, how will marketing agencies do during recessions and things like that, because we've all been expecting a recession, some type of recession to come, and you can actually see that during this time that the stock market has really plunged, especially with it's been dropping over like 2,000 points. It's dropped over 10% today, which is the highest since the stock market crash. So things are getting pretty crazy as far as this whole entire pandemic thing that is going on. It is crazy. The NBA has suspended sporting events and things like that here in the U.S. has suspended its season until further notice, so we don't even know what's going on. So yeah, things are spreading pretty fast, and I wanted to dive in a little bit deeper with how this is affecting digital marketing agencies. But before I hop in, make sure that you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the journey, so that you can get the latest content and get educational value on how you can learn to accelerate your business or agency. All right, so this is a very serious matter, obviously, and luckily with digital marketing industries, and if you are a SMMA owner, then the perks of that is working from home, so you don't have to be interacting with people, going out and just be outside where you put yourself in a position to be able to contract some type of virus or any type of sickness or anything like that. So that is kind of like a perk. If you are a business owner, you can work from home and you're okay with that. Now, things to expect, guys, if you are a agency owner, is that you may see, as far as results, it may slow down because we are a marketing agency and our job is to bring more customers to business owners. So let's say that your client is like a gym or restaurant or something like that. Well, people right now at this time, less people are going out, just because they want to stay in and avoid this everything that's going on. Schools are starting to close and move their things online. Everything is starting to move to online. So as far as that, you will see businesses slow down. Results may slow down. That's something you may notice, and I've kind of seen that a little bit this week. As far as because we are a lead generation company for our clients, and I have seen I would say a slight dip in results. However, there are billions of people in the world. There are millions of people here, constantly searching for a service. I mean, people still need services and products, right? So I believe that, you can look at the glass half full or half empty, right? Obviously, businesses are going to slow down. Leads, results, and things like that are going to slow down. So your clients may, experience a decrease in results. And I think that is understandable. They should understand. They do know what's going on. But as far as will marketing agencies, will digital marketing, SMA, social media marketing agency owners, will they last during a time like this, during a recession, during a pandemic virus that is spreading wildly? I believe that because businesses are slowing down, because clients, less customers are coming through those doors, that these businesses, they need marketing more than ever. Because if they're not, then they're just leaving money on the table compared to the next person who is actually spending money on ads and lead generation, right? So, if businesses aren't, if they're scared, obviously, most businesses are going to be scared, that they're seeing less results and things like that. you need to reassure them that, hey, this is something that you need more than ever, because if you're not running ads or whatever it is to generate leads for your businesses, the next business is going to be there. They're going to be there, and they're going to be the ones that are, getting all that money on the table. So if you're not doing anything to drive business during a time like this, then your business is just sinking. And you're leaving money on the table. And no one likes to hear leaving money on the table. No business owner wants to know that they are leaving money on the table because they're not doing this. And because all of our clients has been getting such great results with my company, then they know that we're not the issue here. The issue isn't we're providing a bad service, or we're not doing our job for whatever reason. The main issue here is that there's this whole pandemic thing going on. So businesses is going to slow down, but because business is slowing down, you're going to need me more than ever. So so you might be put in a position where your clients are maybe gym owners, your clients may be restaurant owners, or your clients may be businesses that are more affected by the situation compared to other niches and other businesses. And that's something, if needed, then you can work out something with your business owner, right? Because if their business is dropping, obviously they might not be able to pay for your services like they can every single month. Like, for example, if your client is a gym owner, and less and less people are going to the gyms because they don't want to touch the equipment and contract this virus or anything, whatever it is, then gym owners, their business is going to sink. And if they're not getting the results that they're used to, where they're actually profiting from your lead generation marketing companies or your social media marketing agency, then they're not going to be able to afford you. So what you need to do is you got to be able to communicate with your business owners, especially in a time like this. You want to check up on them, see how things are going, and then adjust from there. So, I think communication during a time like this, especially with your clients, is key. Making sure that they understand that, hey, I do see a dip in results, and it's because of XYZ. But how are you doing? How are the leads doing that you are bringing in? Are they still profiting from your services? And if they're not, then you may have to drop your service fees, and management fees and things like that. We haven't done so yet because I work with affluent clients. I work with clients that that no matter what they need, their services are going to be needed pretty much. And it's not like they're not gym owners, so it's not something that is, they're not highly affected by the situation that is going on. But yeah, that's what I see as far as like digital marketing agencies. And for those of you who are SMMA owners during this time, is that things may slow down. You may be affected a little bit by this, but it really depends on what niche you're in as well. Some businesses are going to be more affected by others, and I believe that communication is key, and that you just want to let your clients know that they don't want to leave money on the table. Or you can even reach out to new businesses, and you come with a proposal of, hey, you're leaving money on the table if you're not running ads compared to the next guy that is running ads, because they are going to be capturing all the leads who are searching for their services. So, during a recession and things like that, things may be started looking slow. Things may be falling. The stock market might be looking like it's crashing. There's the pandemic going on. Things are not looking good right now, as of right now, for, small business owners and, the business world. But, I think things will get better. Things will get better pretty soon, hopefully. And every time we step back, we take 2 steps back to make a big leap forward. So don't give up on the digital marketing agency. Don't think that just because we're in a part of recession that marketing agency owners or SMA owners are gonna go out of business, and that you think that the first thing that they're gonna cut is marketing agencies. I don't look at it that way, guys. I look at that as that they need us more than ever, and we need to be there for them. And yeah, guys, just stick with the digital marketing agency journey. You don't quit. You can look at the glass, whether it's half empty or half full. So be optimistic, be positive, and continue to grow your agency. Let me know what you guys think about this situation. Do you think that this is going to highly affect SMMA owners in the comment section below? Do you think that we're going to be able to thrive through this period of time. As of right now, we don't know how long this is going to last for. It may take months. It may even take a year because as far as health officials, they said that we're about a year away from actually finding a vaccine to cure this. But let me know what your thoughts are. How are we going to last? If we're going to last at all. But as always, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you found this helpful, or if this helped you feel a bit better about things. Give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the journey. Follow the journey, because I'm always dropping content, sharing my experience, knowledge, mistakes, and struggles to you guys, so that you can cut the learning curve and grow your marketing agency. So I'll see you guys in the next video. But until then, peace.